Run the DVD and click on Start to execute the solution. Click on Enter to access the data and read the disclaimer. Click on Test Generator to generate the test. If your default browser is Chrome, then copy and paste the link in Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox and press Enter. The dashboard will open. Allow blocked content by clicking on it and select the selection type as Manual. Click on Manual and select the chapter. Set the time duration of the test and assign marks per question. Also, select the questions for the exam. Do the same thing for all the chapters. Click on Add after selecting all the questions for the exam and click on the preview to view the generated test along with the time duration and marks assigned. Click on Export and select the export type. Selecting Export File with Answers will save the file on your system along with the answers to all the questions. Selecting Export File without answers will save the file on your system without the answers to all the questions. Click on Clear to delete the generated test.